In this video, IkcanChain addresses a growing problem: the loss of trust in security labels. Holograms were once seen as proof of authenticity, but that trust is fading. They're now easy to reproduce and manipulate, making them unreliable. We begin by identifying a registered label. On the right side of the screen, you're seeing a live screen capture from an iPhone 14. The printed serial number is visible, but importantly, it is not used for identification. We'll come back to that. Perfect. The label is recognized as ID 701864. Now, we alter the label, even removing the printed serial number entirely, to demonstrate that it plays no role in the identification process. We scan what remains of the label. It can be appreciated that IkcanChain doesn't require to perfectly aimed at the object. Perfect. And again, perfect. It is still recognized as 701864, exactly as expected. Next, we repeat the same process with a different label to demonstrate consistency and show there are no tricks involved. Capturing it. Identification of it. Perfect. It is identified as 701875, and the label details are displayed. Now we alter this label as well, removing the serial number section. We scan what remains of the label. And once again, perfect. Even after alteration, it is recognized as 701875, demonstrating that the printed number is not used for authentication. This small demonstration scales seamlessly to large databases, maintaining the same level of precision. Thanks for watching, and explore other videos for more demonstrations.